Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not filmed a favorites video in forever. So I have some things here that I have been using for the last couple of months or from whenever I filmed my last favorites videos. So if you guys want to see what my favorites have been for the last couple of months, then just keep on watching. So lately, when it comes to beauty, skincare, even fashion, it's been minimalism. I'm definitely not a minimalist, but just, you know, toning down. Like, I hardly use any skincare anymore. When it comes to makeup, I am super basic. The first favorite is a concealer, and lately I've just honestly been wearing concealer with a bit of powder. Today I am wearing a whole bunch of makeup because I filmed this look for a certain something that is coming up. Any guesses on what this makeup and hair is? Let me know in the comments down below. But my first favorite is a concealer. It's from Too Faced. It's the multi-use sculpting concealer. And normally on an everyday basis, after my skincare, which literally consists of toning my face and moisturizing it, like that's it in the morning, I just put this in areas that I need a little bit of coverage or brightness or something needs to be covered. So that's really what I've been doing lately, is just putting it under my eyes on a blemish or any red areas, and then setting it with powder and then continuing with bronzer and blush. I have not been using a lot when it comes to face base makeup. I've just been really, you know, keeping it simple. So this has been amazing. I love how it covers. It's not cakey, it doesn't crease, and I do have the shade Vanilla. Next is a setting powder. It's from It Cosmetics. It's the Bye Bye Pores Translucent Powder. It does come in a pressed powder version, which I actually would like to get because I feel like that would be more convenient to keep in whatever purse I'm wearing for the day rather than a loose powder that could maybe go everywhere. But this powder is incredible. It feels like silk on your skin. If you are a fellow oily skin girl like myself, that probably means you have pores, because pores equals oily skin, and I definitely have larger pores in the center of my face. So this guy actually almost makes them look invisible, or as close to. It just really blurs them out. It sits in there. It doesn't add any extra layer of makeup. It just really sets any creams on your face, creating a smooth surface to continue using powders on top of it. It feels like silk. Like, it is incredible. It doesn't have a color, so it can be used on any skin color. You guys have been commenting on this brush non-stop in any makeup tutorial I've put up. You're always asking what it is, and to be fair, I keep forgetting to respond because I keep forgetting to check, but it is the Zoeva Petite Face Finish, the 111. That's easy to remember. 111. This is what I've been using with this guy, or any kind of setting powder. It's just like a nice dome shape, flat dome shape brush. It's perfect for like getting right in there, like in the nose crevice, chin crevice, and then obviously just patting on your forehead. This brush, thanks Sandy. This brush has been in my makeup bag for the last couple of months, and I've been using it like crazy. I probably need to clean it because it's probably really dirty. Now, I did pick up these eyeliners when I was in Canada. I got them at Sephora. They're the Sephora eyeliner. Are they called something? Colorful eyeliner, waterproof. Now, if you're a long-time subscriber of my channel, then you know I love a good cat eye winged liner. Totally my jam. If I have time for it, I'm all up for it. One of the Sephora girls right away mentioned this eyeliner just from the Sephora brand, and she said it doesn't budge, it's amazing. It's just like a little pot liquid liner kind of thing, and I actually prefer this kind of formula. I'm not the biggest fan of felt liners, except for that Tom Ford one. It is incredible, but it's so expensive. But this one is so good. It's super affordable. I want to say $15. I'll correct myself down below in the description. If you have a Sephora near you, or if you can order online, I really recommend trying it out. It's not like you're really breaking the bank buying it, so definitely recommend this guy. Staying on the eye theme, I recently was given this mascara from Mac. I was given it over a month ago, and I have been using it like crazy. I did use it before I got my lash extensions, and I loved it, but I have been using it now that my lash extensions are slowly leaving me and I only have a couple survivors left. This has just been the perfect mascara for getting my natural lash a little bit of length so that it can compete with the lash extension, just until all of them are out. But the reason I love this is because it doesn't transfer. If you're like me and for some reason you have oily eyelids as well and all of your mascaras transfer, I wouldn't say it's like the thickest false lash looking mascara, but definitely an everyday kind of mascara. My YSL, the curler mascara, that's a false lash looking mascara. If you want something really thick and bold, highly recommend that one, but with the primer. Last makeup product is this bronzer. I love a good bronzer. I feel like I'm always on the hunt for a good bronzer. Like, I love being bronze. What can I say? So I had seen a couple of reviews on this one and I decided to take the plunge. It's the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Omega Bronze, the coconut smelling one. Oh, I just want to like rub it all over me. I wish this came in a perfume because it smells amazing. Anytime I use this, I feel like I should be on holidays because it's just so delicious smelling. I love it. Also, I think I will have this for the rest of my life because it's like the size of my face and you don't need a lot of it, although I still overdo it when it comes to bronzer. You guys know that. So many great things you can use out of this. It is a little bit more expensive, but I definitely recommend it, especially if you want a nice stocking stuffer or if someone doesn't know what to give you for Christmas. This would be perfect because it's literally gonna last you forever and it's such a great bronzer. As you guys know, recently I went a little bit more of a natural color with my hair so that I didn't have to keep dyeing it blonde. I have been obsessed with the color. I do mix in my Luxy Hair extensions. I have two shades, the Dirty Blonde and the Chestnut Brunette mixed in. Without tooting my own horn, my hair has been my favorite ever since I went a little bit darker. I don't know, I think I sound weird saying that, but there's just something, I feel like this is the color I was supposed to be for most of my life. So I'm gonna hopefully try and be good this entire year and not touch it again. So yeah, going with that, I didn't bring it out here because it's in the shower and it's all like wet and gross, is the shampoo and conditioner I've been using. It's from Kerastase. It's the gold range. It's like the oil one. I have the oil from it as well. Also the oil spray, which I'm obsessed with. I'm like more than halfway gone and oh, it's such a good spray. You can use it in your hair when it's wet, damp, or dry. But that shampoo and conditioner, first of all, I don't think I've ever smelt a conditioner that smells like that. Like, I would definitely bottle that and spray it on me because it needs to be a perfume. Just if you can find it, smell it. Like, just smell it. It is the best smelling conditioner ever. Anyways, that set has been really great at adding some more oils into my hair and really making it rich and luxurious again. Lastly is a fashion item. It's these combat boots that I have worn like crazy lately. I bought them on ASOS for like 45 pounds. They've gone up and down in sales. Definitely keep your eye out on ASOS because they always have great promotions, like whether it's 15% off, 20% off, sometimes 40% off, but these are amazing. I think they look a lot more expensive than what they are. They're great quality. Like, I wore them all over Amsterdam. I wear them here all the time. I think they look best paired with like a really, really feminine dress. I think that contrast is just oh, so good. If you're from the UK and watching I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here, Holly's style is like, oh, everything. I'm just obsessed with her style on it, and she's been rocking like combat boots with a whole bunch of like shorter skirts and dresses that are super feminine, and I am obsessed with her style on that show. You can get the Dr. Martens. It's not a vacation spot. The Dr. Martin ones, but they are definitely a little bit more of an investment. That's a little tip if you're eyeing up an investment piece. Find a more affordable option of it. Buy it, see if you actually use it, wear it, whatever it's for, and then if you used it like crazy, then invest in it rather than making the splurge and you're like, oh, I didn't use it or wear it or whatever as much as I thought I would. So just a little tip there. But yeah, that is it for what I've been loving for the last couple of months. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below what you've been loving. I love reading your comments. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.